Hello, good morning. Today is a beautiful day and we are going to learn how to have a chit-chat or a small talk in Spanish. Hoy hace un día maravilloso y vamos a aprender cómo vamos a tener una conversación relajada en español. In order to break the ice, it's always good to talk about, for example, football, weather, unemployment, family, and our hobbies. Well, para romper el hielo, siempre es bueno hablar sobre el tiempo, familia, paro, o por ejemplo sobre los hobbies de cada uno. Okay, now, what is your hobby? Bien, ¿cuál es tu hobby? Mi hobby es leer libros, ver películas, pasar por el parque, nadar en la piscina y hacer nuevas recetas internacionales que encuentro por internet. Okay, my hobby is to read books, make new recipes from international food that I find on internet, watching movies, and that was all I think that I said. I don't have such a good memory, no tengo muy buena memoria, así que no me acuerdo lo que dije, pero más o menos era esto. I don't have a good memory, I don't remember what I have said already, but I think more or less this is all that I said. Oh yes, I forgot to say to walk through the park, which is one of my favorite free time activities. El parque es muy bonito porque tiene un merendero que es... The park is very beautiful because it has got benches with a table, which is called in Spanish merendero. Now we are going to see. This is it. This is called merendero, and you can use it to have a picnic or just to have a snack or a meal because it's nice in the nature. Podemos tener un picnic o una comida o simplemente estar sentados y disfrutar de la naturaleza en este gran evento que se llama el merendero. ¿Qué es esto? Okay, now we are going to talk something about how do I relax myself. Y ahora vamos a hablar cómo me relajo yo. I like to go to the park because it's so quiet and peaceful. Me gusta ir al parque porque es tan pacífico y tranquilo. Se puede disfrutar de la naturaleza. You can, let's say, enjoy yourself in the nature. As you can see, these are all pine trees. Como podéis ver, todo esto son pinos. Y ahora vamos a hablar algo. Mi otro hobby es la jardinería. My other hobby is to work or to do the gardening because I have green hands or green finger. How do you say when somebody is very good in gardening? Y mi otro hobby es la jardinería o porque tengo buena mano con la jardinería. How do you say in Spanish, in English? A good hand for the gardening, or to have green hands or green hands, green fingers. Oh, I'm all stuck up. I don't remember exactly what is the idiomatic phrase or expression in English, but you understood what I have to say. No me acuerdo exactamente cómo se dice en inglés, pero creo que habéis entendido lo que quería decir. Okay, now the other hobby is to watch movies. Okay, y ahora el otro hobby es ver películas. Y todo era por hoy. Chit-chat in Spanish. Esto era todo por hoy. Chatear en español. Bye bye. See you in the new episode about everyday talk, small talk, and conversation in Spanish. Bye bye. See you on +34678111535. Bye.